Alright guys, it's 12th of June and I'm going to share with you guys some live mapping education just so you guys can understand how the market is going to happen today and for the whole entire week this week. So let's make it clear, simple, nothing to be fancy about. It's just about being very consistent in the market every single day. So let's bring it on. So first and foremost, let's just focus on our line chart and we'll focus on our daily. Okay, so you need to understand how market works and you need to understand the direction of it. So one thing that you guys need to understand is how are you going to look at the market, right? How are you going to understand the market really well? So first, this is your daily time frame. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your line chart, and second, I'm gonna mark all the SNRs, the resistance and support, all the breakouts, just so that you guys can see it clear. So first, I do have this level that I'm eyeing. This is my support level that has been broken, and is going to be my new resistance level. So it's called SBR, right? So firstly, this is what it is doing. So this is all my support, and price got broken below, and this is going to be my next resistance level. Okay, so now where is my support? So if I have my resistance, I need my support. So this is going to be my support level. And why do I put it there? Why do I aim it there? Because simple, price has not broken below all this level. Look carefully, price has not broken below all this level. Okay, so if you guys can see in our candlestick, price has not broken below. So you guys can see it clear. This is our support level, support level, and price respected this support level. So this is going to be my support, this is going to be my resistance. Simple as 1 2 3. Okay, so now let's look into details, right? We need to understand the details of it. So if I am going to sell, obviously I'm going to sell when price reaches to my resistance, and if I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy at my support. But always understand, even though this is your resistance, but your lower time frame is telling you that the price is still going up, you cannot sell. You have to understand that, okay? And if let's say the price has reached to our support level, and obviously when it comes to our support, we're going to look for buys, right? But what if our lower time frame is telling us that price is still breaking below? We are definitely not going to look for more buys. Okay, because why? There's no strong confirmation. So what are we going to do? We're going to go into M30, or we're going to focus on our H1. Let's focus on our H1 better, yeah? So this is our H1 time frame, and what you need to understand from here is simple. Let's look at how things work in trading. Okay, so the number one rule when you're looking for a trade, you're going to look for trades that goes this way. Okay, this is what we call a downtrend, and we want to look for buys. We look for buys when the price is going onto this trend. Okay, understand? So then you clearly understand, after a breakout you can start to look for more buys. After a breakout you can start to look for more buys. Same goes to this one. After a breakout you can start to look for more sells. If there's a breakout, you can start to look for more sells. That's it, guys. It's not going to be hard at all, I promise you guys. So all you have to do is just stay consistent, stay hardworking, and stay pushing. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. If I am going to start to buy, all I need to look for is more stronger confirmations. Okay, so I'm going to put one trend line as an uptrend to indicate me it's going to tell me that the price is still respecting this trend line, and all I need to look for is more clear breakout above to start looking for more buys. Understand? Okay, so that is going to be the first way. So this is how it's going to be, right? So if price breaks above this level, comes back, then yes, I'm going to look for more buys. Understand? But if price does this, it goes as an uptrend, but then slowly it does a compression, and then it breaks below, then I'm still going to look for more sells. Okay, perhaps around this range. Okay, if price reaches here, then I'm going to look for more sells. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. But if you look carefully here, you can clearly see that there's another fresh breakout level. So what can price do? Actually, it can also take that price. So this is the third method. So if let's say you're looking for more buys, okay, we can look for more buys just right above here. Okay, we can look for more buys here. But then if you're going to sell, I'm going to wait for a confirmation just in our fresh breakout zone for us to look for more sells. You understand, right? And why do I use this? Because if you go into line chart, you can see this. This is what I call a fresh breakout. One of my favorite techniques. Okay, so this is also another direction that we can look into. So that's just a little bit of an explanation on how you can actually buy or sell if you have the right method, if you know what you're trying to do, if you know and understand what you're trying to trade. You need confirmations. If you don't have confirmation, that's going to be a problem. Don't make trading hard. Just make sure you understand how it goes. Remember the two things that you need to understand. If it wants to go for sells, it needs to break out, it needs to break below. Then you can start to look for more sells. If it breaks above, you can start to look for more buys. That's it. All right. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week this week, and let's get some more profits.